Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SGYP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance easier to see. I did this analysis on Monday, and that's where these green and red line annotations are coming from. They look totally goofy now given where the price is, but believe it or not, on Monday, these levels were actually relevant. So the first thing I'm going to do is just a little house cleaning and get rid of these lines right there. Again, yeah, they pertain. They're just not relevant anymore. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. So let's get some new areas updated. One of the newer areas of support and what I would call the ideal level of support when you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up above 18 cents. Now, with that being said, if 18 does not hold, I'm not saying the entire chart is broken or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to stay up above 18 cents, that would definitely be a huge sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so a big picture point of view, that is where the famous 50-period simple moving average comes into play on my chart, being denoted by the purple line there. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. This right here being defined as quote-unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How are you going to best visualize that? That is what's being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 18 cents, that would be great. But from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? Initial area of resistance, going to be right here. That was developed during this afternoon at 25 cents. You can see on a couple different occasions, the price tried to get up through there. And for whatever reason, the sellers just decided to show back up at 25. So that'll be the first key battleground to keep an eye on. If the price can push up through there, the next key overall level of resistance is simply where the party stopped today, and that is up at the 28-cent mark. But all in all, any way you slice it, very, very powerful move today. And now it's just a question of, can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We will see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.